In Onshape, you can use the replace instance command to swap out one component in your assembly with another component. Here I clearly have the wrong size fastener in my assembly. So I will click on replace instance, then I will pick the instance to replace, and then when I click in the field for select replacement component, that opens up the select replacement component dialog box, which is a lot like the insert dialog box. You can choose something from your current document or another document. In this situation, this is standard content, and I can see that this is an M6 fastener. I will use the auto size button to select the surface to size it, and that should be an M12. I know that the total length needs to be longer than 20 because that's the distance between opposing surfaces in the assembly. Let me go with 30. And so everything looks good in this form. I will choose the select button, and now it does some thinking and it replaces it with the other instance in the preview. Here I have the check mark to complete the action, but also be aware that there is an option to replace all instances if you had that original fastener the wrong size and wanted to replace it universally in this assembly. So let's hit the check mark, and now my situation is good thanks to the replace instance command.